Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will inform you the latest makeup news, which is Milani Cosmetics introducing Halloween 2022 collection, which is Days of Disco collection, and this collection includes Days of Disco eyeshadow palette, Days of Disco shimmer spray, Days of Disco highly rated diamond shimmer gloss, Days of Disco hypnotic lights holographic eye topper kit, and Days of Disco lipsticks. So guys, first one product is the Days of Disco Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper Kit, and this include 4 high impact dew chrome liquid shimmer eyeshadows. So guys, second product is Days of Disco eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette inspired by the dance floors of 1970s shade of silver and gold paired with glam metallic pops. So guys, this is 12 hyperpigmented shimmers and mattes color eyeshadow palette. So guys, another product is Days of Disco Shimmer Spray is a holographic glitter spray with ultra fine glitter particle for an instant and effortless all over shimmery look. So guys, Days of Disco Shimmer have two color, one is golden and one is silver, and this is very amazing product. Now move toward another product, which is Days of Disco highly rated diamond shimmer gloss, and this gloss also have two color, one is silver and one is golden. So guys, these glosses are highly rated diamond shimmer gloss and ultra clear lip gloss with metallic glitter and brilliant building shine. The non-sticky high comfort formula glides on seamlessly for a glossy diamond like finish with a maximum shimmer and shine. So guys, you can wear alone for a glossy shimmering look or your favorite lip color for a touch of high shine glitter. So guys, the next one product is Color Fetish matte lipsticks, and the two new color introduced by Milani Cosmetics in this collection. Number 1 is 250 Fever and number 2 is 270 Smoke. 250 is a red tone color lipstick and 270 is a black tone color lipstick. So guys, this is the valid and authentic information through my channel. If you like this video, so please do subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you will notify the latest makeup news through my channel. So stay tuned, stay connected, stay healthy. Bye.